If you need to quickly build a professional financial snapshot for investors or banks, this video is for you. Whether you're pitching for funding, applying for a business loan, or just want your numbers to look clean and credible, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, in under 3 minutes. And if you stay till the end, I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend for building these snapshots, only available to viewers of my channel. Now I've tested all the major platforms that claim to do this well: Excel templates, Google Sheets, Notion dashboards, even AI tools. And the one we're using today gives you the fastest, cleanest output without needing advanced accounting skills. First, what exactly is a financial snapshot? It's a one-page overview of your business's financial health, showing key data points like revenue, expenses, profit, cash flow, and projections. Investors and banks want to see this to quickly evaluate if your business is healthy and worth their time or money. Start by gathering your core data. You'll need total revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, net profit, and cash on hand. Bonus points if you include accounts receivable and liabilities. Don't overthink it. These numbers don't have to be perfect, just accurate and current. Now open the software we're using, link in the description. Create a new snapshot project. Most of these tools come with templates. Choose a funding or bank-ready template. You'll be prompted to enter basic financials, and then the software will automatically generate visuals like charts and tables that you can tweak. Add your revenue over the last 12 months, either as a monthly breakdown or a YTD figure. Then plug in your expenses. Try to categorize them: payroll, rent, software, marketing, etc. This helps investors and banks see where your money is going. Next, include profit margins. The software calculates this for you, but make sure it looks right. If you're running lean and profitable, highlight that. If you're in growth mode and reinvesting heavily, show projections that explain the short-term loss. Speaking of projections, add them. Even simple 6 to 12-month projections based on current trends can set you apart. Don't fluff the numbers. Use actual growth rates or client contracts to justify them. Now check the layout. Make sure your business name is on the report, your contact details, and the date range for the data. Use clean formatting, no walls of text. Keep it visual, but don't over-design. Once done, export it as a PDF. That's the format banks and investors expect. If you're presenting in person, print a couple of clean copies. If you're emailing, compress it slightly for faster sending. The key takeaway? A clean, data-backed financial snapshot helps you stand out, earn trust, and speed up decisions from banks or investors. It shows you respect their time and understand your numbers. Quick recap. Gather your core numbers, plug them into the software using a funding-ready template, customize it with charts and projections, and export it as a polished one-page PDF. If you found this helpful, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's the same tool I use myself, and it's only available to viewers of this channel. Use it to follow along or build your own snapshot from scratch in minutes.